har chalti Hawaii kh hoti si shihar jays dikti hai. Main bait kar rahun duni ya ke sabs bait container ship me seek, ever ace ke bare main. Jab bait shipping industry ki hoti hai, to ever ace ka nam ek alog hai is at se liajata hai. Iska size, iska weight, iska cargo capacity or iski technology sab kuchitna impressive hai ki jab yesamundar par ni kalta hai, to isa lagta hai jays samundar kut usk li rast banata ho. Aaj hum ever ace ka full review karn whale hein, usk design se lake usk engine tak, or janig kunya ek engineering marvel monajata hai. To chali shurakarte hein. Sabs peli bait karte hein size ki. Ever ace ki lambe I high lag bag 400 meters, yani k 1312 feet. Agar AAP isco comparison main dekna che hein, to ye Eiffel Tower seb lamba high agar Eiffel Tower ko horizontal car diaj. Or iski width, lag bag 61.5 meters, MATLAB ek bata football field iski dek parm se fit ho sakta hai. Itna bata structure samundar par tairda hwa dekna apni aap main ek experience hai. Capacity ki bait Korean to ever ace main lag bag 23,992 TEU 20 foot equivalent unit containers Rockney ki capacity high. Saki yi, itni sar containers jo duni ya bar ke saman, electronics, cars, clothing or kai teraka goods le car jade hein. Ye capacity duni ya main sabs badi cargo handling capabilities me seek high. Jab ye full load ke soth chalti high, to iska total weight millions of kilograms hoda high. Design ke mamal main ever ace ko special banaya gaya high. Iska hull specially designed ki gaya high minimum resistance ke litaki ye itna bata hone ke ba wajid fuel efficient raw. Hydrodynamics kapurad high and rakha gaya high. Iska bow shape modern bulbous bow design ka high, jispani main resistance cam hodi high or fuel consumption optimized hoda high. Engine ki bait Korean to iska hard high ek massive 2-stroke diesel engine jo ever ace ko drive car da high. Ye engine itna powerful high ki ye ship ko 22 knots tak ki speed se chala sakta high, jo itni betty ship ke li ka fi impressive speed high. Engine ko is terra design ki gaya high ki wo lower emissions maintain care, kyunki aaj main environment regulations ka fi strict hein. Or han, is main scrubber system bilaga hwa high, jo exhaust gases se sulfur dioxide ko remove karda high, isya eco-friendly ship k list main eata high. Ever ace ka bridge yani k control center be futuristic high. Yahan se pura ship operate kia jata high. Multiple radar systems, satellite communication, auto navigation technology or dynamic positioning systems lage hu hein. Captain or crew ko sab kuch real-time main dike data high, weather updates, nearby ship's key position, ocean currents, sab kuch. Or bridge se dekaj to opko bas samundar or osman high dike data high, ek ajib si sukunbari feeling hodi high. Crew life k bare main be bait karni zerurai high, ever ace k crew k li sab high facilities provide ki gay I hein. Gym, recreation rooms, mess area, internet access, sab kuch high takey wo long voyages main apni opko relax kar sakian. Yahan tak ki crew k cabins be ka fi comfortable hein, jays ekh hodi hotel room. Ever ace ka construction Huanan shipbuilding k through Hua Tha, jo Taiwan ka ek famous shipbuilding company high. Jab ye ship 2021 main launch Hua T, tab isntuni ya bar main headlines banay it. Logon ne iski sheer size or design ko dekar harani jtit. Safety k mamal main ever ace ka fi advanced high. Multiple watertight compartments hein jo ji shi accident k doron flooding ko control karte hein. Fire suppression systems, lifeboats, evacuation plans SAB Kutch International Standards K according design Kia Gaya Hai. EK or interesting bait Hai K Jab Ever Ace EK Port Main Dock Karda Hai, To Isko Handle Karn K Lai Specially Trained Port Crew Cha Hai Hoda Hai. Iski Berthing K Lai Special Cranes Lag Di Hein Jo Itni Bait Container Ko Handle Kar Sak Di Hein. Or container loading unloading Kapura process automated system SE monitor Kia Jata Hai Jis operations fast or safe Banian. Ya ship tuni ya K Sabs busy shipping routes PAR Halta Hai Js Asia SE Europe routes. Ports Js Shanghai, Rotterdam, Singapore.